Hello again, YouTube. Today in Audacity, I'm going to show you guys how to change your voice, like if you're talking into a radio or a walkie-talkie. So let's begin. First thing, let's record your voice. Hello everyone and good morning. There you go. Highlight it and go to Effect, and this is what you're going to do. You're going to click on FFT filter, and this is going to show up. Now, what you want to do? Hold on. It's gonna be like this, right? So what you want to do is that you want to click on the line, the purple line, and drag it up to 12 dB. Then just click right here in 1 million. Click right there. It should have like this shape. So when you have it like that, click OK. As you can see, it's more bigger, more fatter. So you're gonna click Effect, and you're gonna click on a high pass filter, and right here you're gonna put 2000. Click OK, and it's smaller now. See? Now let's hear it. Hello everyone and good morning. As you can see, it's not really, like a radio. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna repeat the process like 2 or 3 times. Okay. Effect, high pass filter, put 2000. Okay. I'm gonna do this 3 times. Okay. High pass filter, 2000. Okay. Now let's see how it sounds now. Hello everyone and good morning. I'm gonna do that one more time to see how it sounds like. Okay, let's see how it sounds like. Hello everyone and good morning. And that's it. You could repeat it how many times you want, but with 3 is enough. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.